Good morning, sanibonani. Ninjani niyaphila bafowethu? Hayi asethembe niyaphila. Ngibingelelo umfaka Mkhonza. Njengoba namhlanje sila eMkhondo. Ward 14. Semkhondo Ward 14 eHarmony Park. Namhlanje kune registration njengoba kuzoba nama by elections nge-17 December kulonyaka ka-2025. So sikhona ke la namhlanje ukuze sizo capture konke okuzobe kwenzeka namhlanje. Abantu bayabhalisa kuyaregister IEC ukhona umphakathi wase Ward 14 ukhona la uzobhalisa. Nawa namaqembu epolitiki siyawabona khona la ANC, EFF, MK Party wona amaqembu ahamba phambili engeneleni ukhetho la kule ward yase 14. So zama nje ukuthola abambalwa la singaxoxa nabo about lama by elections azoba khona nokuregister ukuthi kuhamba kanjani namhlanje la. Ake siyobabona. Yebo ke njengoba sibona la kuhlangenwe kuqhubeka i-registration. Njengoba sibona la liyashisa ke nelanga. Yashisa nelanga. Asazi ukuthi abantu bazokhona ukuphuma yini. Lela ngalishisa kangaka bezoregister. Ngoba engathi registration izobe iqhubeka namhla nge-1. Ngoba kuyi-1 November namhlanje izoqhubeka kuze kube kusasa nge-2 November. So ingakho besila namhlanje. Yeah. Leki ithende lethu la ku-MK Party. Sizobona ukuthi bakhona yena bethu la.
Hi.
Kunjani? Ngabale.
Ngibaleni ngohlala.
Ngize kuwe. Anifuna ukuvela. Ngizothini khona emsebenzini. Awu induna yami. Shofwe. Kunjani sisi? Siyaphila. Sekusukile njalo. Sekonakela. Kubi kushubile. Ezikamsholozi zingapha.
Yeah, singapha.
Okay, so.
Besashintsha lo phakathi.
Ha?
Lethi besashintsha lo phakathi khona ufuna ukuphume manje.
Ophakathi
Kuze nekuseni.
Sisadilwa ne-issue lana ye-distance okufanele ama-political party abe kuyo from the registration area. Engathi khona sort of a dispute ekhona la against the ANC ukuthi isondele kakhulu ne-registration area. So kunama-interviews ambalwa nje la sizowenza nizizwele ukuthi bakhala ngani la i-AFP eseduze ne-MK Party. Ngizozwa ne-AIMS ukuthi ithini ngale ndaba ye-ANC yokuthi isondele kakhulu.
The IEC
Yeah.
has always given
Yeah.
the IEC has always given a directive at any party during the voter registration or during elections. Every party must be 50 meters away from EVD. But what we see here, we want to expose it to the community, how the ANC wants to dictate and operate in an illegal manner, because la sehla khona uzobona ukuthi i-ANC iphakathi ku-VD just by the gate. So we don't think it's a fair practice for it to be practiced, especially in situations like this one.
Yeah.
We are raising this because we are aware ukuthi ANC will be passing in people trying to win i-ward, i-14. So I want us all these things to be captured and be seen. We are going there to see so that you can observe ukuthi exactly by the gate where the ANC, where the IEC is supposed to be demarcating. I want you to capture that and expose it to the masses so they can see ukuthi what are we dealing with and why should we not vote for the ANC, who are using all the powers to rob and try to impose themselves on the masses.
No, it's fine. Now let's go.
Oh, yeah, it is starting tonight. So bambele. Lethule njani basegeyithini lesiteji?
Hola. Sanibona. Njani bhuti?
Siyaphila bhuti.
Bhuti bani?
Uvelile.
Yeah.
Yazi bhuti sine crisis la.
Yeah.
Singama party agent. Sivumelene ekseni ukuthi ayikho party ezohlala with egate.
Yeah.
La kucela kwe vote station. Savumelana. Then ba remove. Right now we've got a crisis. Same thing happened again. So our voters are intimidated by the people who are sitting on the gate. You see, so we are trying to resolve it with the ama locals, ama presiding officers. Now they are telling us something else, of which now, as long as Bangatinted, but when you check, it's not even 50 meters away from the political
And it's a 10 for one political party.
No, all the political parties are going to party agent.
No. I mean, lay is a gating.
Yes, it's a one political party. ANC, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand. So IEC is promising to resolve this.
IEC is like promising, but we are not sure yet whether they are promising or we are still waiting for the presiding officer because he's trying to call the officials that are head on air. But then we don't know yet what is going to happen.
Oh, you are an MK agent?
Yes, I'm an MK.
Okay. Mbona ne AFP? Thini ngayiphawulithini yona ngalodaba mfethu?
AFP yakhala manje. Sivumelene kakhulu. Kodwa manje kwenzakala akusesiwe ezimali ngapho.
Yeah.
Besicela nje impela basilungisele.
Yeah.
Indaba basegate nabasuku.
Manicabanga inhloso yini ngokubuka kwenu ukuthi babe segate?
Inhloso ukuthi abantu bezongena bekwazi ubavela khona bakithi.
Yeah.
Bathi abawukuthi
Yeah.
kanti manje sithena asivuleke egate so.
Yeah.
Ngabe sicela esikhulumile kube nje wasikhulumile. Kungabi ngathi sihlaza nje.
Akezwe
Lokho sicela president office ukuthi akenzayo.
Yeah.
Wasiraisile le issue sekuworkshop.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sine problem kanje eyenzakalayo. Bathi bazolungisa. Mazibonisa yenzeka.
It's fine. Ngiyabonga bhuti. Sure. Njani bhuti? Siyaphila sesizwile nge-MK la ne IFP ngale ndaba ye-distance from the registration area. I-EMSA ithini yona ngale ndaba?
Hayi bhuti nje ngiphawule kakhulu ngoba ngithi
umthetho bayawazi lento lena ngizosho ukuthi hluthi ikhambisana nenkani phakathi but-ke usise baka-IC abaphathi baka-IC kumele bazame ukusilungisela yona ngoba shuthi bahambisana banenkani kahle kahle manje thina ngesikhona ukukhuluma nabo singamaphathi agent yes bazosilekelela bosisi ngoba emithingini kushiwo ukuthi 50 kilometers away mdede nje
50 meters
50 meters away yes mdede badede manje bona uyababona baclose kakhulu bahlele egate bona manje
ngizowubuza nakwelo mbuzo macabanga inhloso yini yokuhlala egate ku mawubheka
afuna ukuphazamisa kahle kahle abavoti bafuna ukubhiza babaphazamisa nje babadida umqondo
afuna ukubamba ngenkani
bafuna ukubamba ngenkani
sesingathi khona ufuna ukusho ufuna uku-eda
cha konke ngifuna uku-eda so ukushila ubhuti
iko konke lo
hayi
siyabonga kodwa sithemba izoresolve kamanje
ya singabonga kakhulu
siyabonga kakhulu
kunasekuseni bake bakhuzwa so into abaphinde bayiphinda nje
sithemba izolunga siyabonga